If you want to add your Instagram link on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to place your Instagram profile link on your X account so your followers can easily find you across both platforms. This is a simple but powerful way to connect your social media presence, improve visibility, and drive more traffic to your Instagram page. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials like this one. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have your Instagram link copied and ready to go. You can do this by opening Instagram, going to your profile, and copying the URL from your browser or the share option, depending on the device you're using. Once you have that link, head over to x.com and log into your account. After you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Profile. This will take you to your X profile page where you can edit your public information. On your profile page, find the Edit Profile button near the top right corner and click or tap it. This opens your profile editing screen, where you can update details like your bio, location, website, and more. Now scroll down until you see the website field. This is where you want to paste your copied Instagram URL. Make sure the link is pasted correctly and that there are no extra spaces or missing characters. If you want, you can double-check the link before saving so it works properly when people click it. Once everything looks good, go ahead and tap or click Save. After saving, your Instagram link will now appear on your X profile, making it easy for visitors to discover your Instagram account. This is especially useful if you're a creator, business owner, or anyone trying to build a stronger online presence. And that's it. You've successfully added your Instagram link on x.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.